On today's video, I have been sent a few items from Temu. The total cost was $39.60. To start this off, we'll go for the 2 of 3 items that I got for free, the KZZZZ Pros and the Monster Air Mars XK-T08s. The Monsters are the more interesting ones as they're gaming earbuds. And Monster is the company that used to make Beats headphones. Also, they seem to be the hardest one to open, because I was not able to open it before recording. Slash, I was too lazy to. They shipped this in a bag and nothing else. To be honest, these are smaller than I thought they would be. Holy crap, USB-C. And it's on. Either it's been on inside of the package, or they turn on when you remove the bag. I love the color of them. Yeah, their shape is just an AirPods Pro clone, or AirPods 3rd gen. Yeah, 3rd gen would be closer. The design of the case isn't terrible. It's how it just snaps in. Would I recommend these to anyone with a pulse? No. So they probably don't sound that good. It includes a color-matched lanyard? What the... Honestly, I thought this was a cable at first. Okay. And a Type-C to A cable. I'll probably need those instructions. So. Second is the KZZZZ Pros. The usual KZ box. Don't forget the original intention of using earphones is to enjoy music. Okay then. On my other KZs it comes off on the back, just like here. As usual, these are wired headphones. This is the cable. There's the ear tips. They're KZs. They don't honestly look too terrible. And last, what you've been waiting for, the orange bag. Supposedly, there is a 35-foot Ethernet cable in here. This bag does not feel big enough to hold that. Right on top is the Ethernet cable. I'm going to take it at its word that it is 35 foot. I don't feel like measuring that. That's interesting. They included little things for you to nail the Ethernet cable to a wall or a ceiling to cable manage. I don't think I've ever seen that included before. That's pretty nice. Next is a Kodak microSD card. This was $0. It's a microSD card. I just needed a bunch of them. Same thing, but from HP. Honestly, much prettier packaging. Oh, the BART card. I only bought this because it was $0 and it has BART on the microSD card. I need to see the BART. Holy crap. It is a BART card. Behold, the BART card. I love it. I know they're probably lying about the capacity, but I do not care. It has BART on it. Oh, and lastly, an R4 card. I have never owned one of these, and I have wanted one for a very long time. This one is probably fake. It is definitely fake, but also I don't really care, because I feel like there is no, just like iTunes for iPhone. No. Yeah. Oh my god, it includes an SD card. That's surprising. I didn't expect that. I have a ton of SD cards now. Yeah, that's all that's in here. The Bart card was the main attraction. Aw, they Sharpied out the ROM download website. Damn. Now where will I get those? It's just one Google search away. All this out of the way. I have to test these. They look pretty. Do they sound decent though? Immediate first impression, they sound very... Well, they don't have bass or mids. Honestly, not what I was expecting. I expected a lot of bass and nothing else. So not the worst I've ever heard. Very listenable though. They do not like drums. Let's try the KZs. I also don't have high expectations for these things. Now, I do own a pair of KZZZZ Pros. And 2 other of their headphones. I like KZs. I just also don't trust that this is decent. As usual, the DS just has power. So we'll put these to the side for now. And pop in the R4. Comes up as Deep Labyrinth from Atlas. Holy shit, this thing has ROMs. They included all of the Pokemon games. I did not expect it to come with ROMs. This thing has so much. Holy shit. What is Super Mario Galaxy 1 through 3 DS? What the fuck? Super Mario Galaxy DS? What the fuck? Is this a fan game? I assume Pokemon Black is just Pokemon Black, right? Yes. To be honest, I have never played Pokemon Black, so I don't know if there's anything wrong with this one. But yeah. I guess I now have every Pokemon game for the DS. Is there Mario Kart DS on here? Honestly, this might be the best value. It's Pokemon. There's a lot of fan games. There's new Super Mario Bros. Another game that I have also never played before. You know, I can use this to test the KZEDX Pros. Please do not destroy my hearing. They don't sound terrible. They're serviceable. A little bass heavy. Honestly, might spend the rest of the day playing through this. Okay, now back to the video. Honestly, not bad. They're definitely not making money off this. That's all I can say. Because for $40, that should have just been the earbuds or the R4 card. But definitely not all of this. Where's the BART card? The BART card is the best part of this deal. And I cannot find it. Fuck. I'm gonna have to rewatch this video to figure out where the fuck I threw that thing. But yeah, decent deal. Please subscribe. I'm very close to hitting 100 right now. Goodbye. There's the BART card. Holy shit. BART card. BART card.